Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off the YouTube comments on your YouTube channel. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. There are two options to actually do this. The first one is to simply open up your browser, head down to youtube.com, go down and sign into your existing YouTube account, head down to the YouTube studio, and from here there are a load of options to choose from, as you can see. Now the first step that we want to take is by actually going inside the content, and here we can simply select the video where we want to turn off the comments for the YouTube section. So scroll all the way down till we find the comments. Now here we see all the comments, but we're going into the details, into the settings of the video. Here we scroll down till we find the option for the comments, and it should be right around here. As you can see, comments and ratings. Now here the comments are on, and if you want to pause the comments for now, you can simply pause them or simply press and turn them off. Now here make sure to save these changes, and now your comment section has been turned off for the certain video that you're liking. Now the other option is by simply going down to the settings, and inside the settings we have the channel options. In the channel options we're going down to the advanced options, the advanced settings, and here you can set the channel make for kids. And if you set this, as you can see, all the comments will be turned off, but you're not getting personalized ads, so therefore your revenue will drop down tremendously. So simply I would advise to do the first method, and that will be the most beneficial for you. Now if you still get any other questions on this video, or if this tutorial has helped you, please leave it in the comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.